This is a tutorial for managing your notification list if you are an event, resource, or room approver within Astra. So click into Events and Notifications, and you will see a full list of all notifications that pertain to your permissions. So here are all of the notifications that are just FYIs, and the ones with the colorful buttons for approve and decline are those that require your attention. So we're going to change this filter so we only see those that require our attention. You want to change it to is notification no, is active yes, run the search, and now you only see requests that require your attention. You can save this filter so next time you come to your notification list, it is already run for you. And if it's not, you can choose it from the drop-down. Now, you will not receive an email every time a notification comes into your notification list. If you would like to be notified when a notification comes into your notification list, you do that through My Preferences and Notification Schedule. You want to make sure your schedule is active. I want to be notified 3 minutes after an event notification comes into my notification list. Run it all day, every weekday, starting now with no end date. If you can't see the OK button, just make your screen bigger. Click OK, save and close. So now when a notification comes into my notification list, I will receive an email 3 minutes after that notification comes through, alerting me to come check my notification list.